New skills with Amazon Alexa. With more Amazon Alexa skills becoming available, we are enriching the things Netvue products can do with Amazon Alexa as well. Now introducing you a new skill, Netvue. About Netvue skill. The new skill has 5 functions. It allows Alexa to show you the list of your Netvue devices, tell you the status of your device, show you device events, and play live videos and replays. Before using these features, you have to wake up the skill first.
Alexa, open Netvue.
Welcome to Netvue. What can I do for you?
List your devices. If you don't remember your device name, you can ask Alexa to show all devices that are bound to your Netvue account. Then select one to check its status.
Alexa, show me the device list.
You can also say, "Get my device list," "List my devices," or "Show me devices."
Here are your device list. Say next to get more.
Alexa, next.
Here are your device list. Say next to get more.
Alexa, select number 2.
The backyard is online.
Check device status. Check the network connection status, Wi-Fi or firmware info of the device in status page. You can tap events, live and replay tags on the screen to watch more.
Alexa, show me the status of backyard.
You can also say, "Get the status of backyard." What is the status of backyard? Or, how is the backyard?
The backyard is online. Here are the latest events of backyard. Say next to get more.
See device events. The new skill allows you to view events like motion detection or ring call recording on your Alexa-enabled devices. You can even tap the event snapshot on the screen to watch the clip.
Alexa, show me the events of backyard.
Other example phrases are, "Get the events of backyard," or "Show me the events of backyard."
Here are the latest events of backyard. Say next to get more. Here are more events. Say next to get more.
Watch live video. With a new skill, you can now watch the live video stream of your device. You can also ask Alexa to pause, resume, or quit while playing the video.
Alexa, show me the video of living room. Alexa, pause. Alexa, resume. Alexa, go back.
Watch replay. You can also watch the replays. A specific date and time is required in order to locate the time period of the video you wish to see.
Alexa, show me the replay of kitchen.
What is the date of the replay?
Today,
What is the time of replay?
8 o'clock.
More useful skills with Alexa integration, like play video clips, are coming up. Stay tuned for more updates.